Welcome to Birds of the World. Today we explore one of nature's vibrant wonders, the green woodpecker. The green woodpecker, also known by its scientific name, Picus viridis, is a striking bird with a unique set of characteristics. As the name suggests, these birds exhibit a beautiful green plumage with a vivid red crown on their heads. Unlike their cousins, green woodpeckers are primarily ground feeders, often searching for ants, their favorite delicacy. Their long, barbed tongues allow them to delve deep into ant nests, a skill few birds possess. One of the most distinctive features of the green woodpecker is its call, often described as a loud, laughter-like yaffle. In flight, they showcase a burst of striking green feathers, blending seamlessly with their natural surroundings. During the breeding season, green woodpeckers engage in elaborate courtship displays, where they demonstrate their vibrant plumage and skills. They nest in holes excavated in trees, providing a safe haven for their young. Both parents share the responsibility of feeding and caring for their chicks, ensuring their healthy development. The green woodpecker is a marvel of nature, blending beauty, adaptability, and unique behaviors. We hope you've enjoyed this brief journey into the captivating world of the green woodpecker, a testament to the diversity and wonder of our natural world. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel